every time you smell something that reminds you of something happy. For me, it's cut grass every time. I can be in any mood, doesn't matter, the worst in the world. And if I smell, that's when I used to go running a lot, and I could smell the cut grass at 7 o'clock in the morning. I just smile the whole way through the run. Cut grass is summer. Summer is happy. Happy is sunshine. Happy is me. That's it. I also, if I smell baking, cake baking, I can't bake I'd kill people. But my grandmother used to bake. My grandmother was built, believe it or not, my own grandmother was built like a cottage loaf. Really? We have that in the family. Somehow miss this generation. But if I smell baking, home baking, like cakes and things, I can generate that kitchen with her, and she'd get us all to muck in and be standing on little stools and stirring, and that's a really happy thought for me.